Itong balita, banner headlines po ng ating mga major broadsheets ngayon ay itong joint military drills po, maritime drills kahapon participated in by 4 countries, 4 na bansa, Pilipinas, US, Japan, and Australia, 5 barkong pandigma, 5 warships. Unang tanong po natin, ayun, show of unity ba ito o show of force? Commodore.
It is a show of unity and a show of force. Show of unity meaning to say lahat po naman tayo ay may concern sa international order na dapat rules-based. What we mean by that is ang lahat ng mga bansang ito nag-participate and others who gave their statements of support would like the international order to remain rules-based, that no one country ang pwedeng magbago nito unilaterally. So it was a show of support, a show of force kasi it's a maritime activity. It was conducted west of Palawan. And it's not actually the first time that we have come together. There have been previous activities like this in the West Philippine Sea.
Commodore, yung pagganito, no, 4 na bansa, US, Japan, Australia at ang Pilipinas, who takes the lead? Sino nagsasabi, kaliwa, kanan, o sugod, o
may choreography na talaga?
Paano po yun? Paano po yung, kumbaga, in terms of the command? Who leads? Who gives the command?
Ma'am, when it comes to the formations at sea, nagpapalit-palit yan. Sometimes certain activity, it would be one country, the ship from one country, let's say, maaring sa US, sa Australia, sa Japan o sa Pilipinas. And then for the next activity, for the next serial, magha-hand over naman po kung sino ang may lead. We call that it is the ship that has control of the activity.
Okay.
Commodore, kapag ganito, no, naalala natin ang sinabi ng Pangulong Marcos noong nakaraang linggo. 2 weeks ago, he was saying, he doesn't want to poke the bear. Yan yung kanyang termino na ginamit noon, no? Ito pang ginawa natin na multilateral maritime cooperative activity na to, is it not aimed to in provoking China? Hindi ba yan ang magiging reaksyon ng China dito sa ginawa pong joint maritime military drill na to? Kamukha nun, sila din, nakipagsabayan, nagkaroon din sila ng joint military and air exercise kasabay po ninyo.
Yes, ma'am. It's not poking the bear. It is merely standing up for what is right. Kung ano yung tama sa international arena. Una sa lahat, wala naman po tayong inangkin na hindi sa atin. Yung ating EEZ, yung mga features doon, this all belong to the Philippines. We have sovereignty and sovereign rights. Now, China has been, their 9-dash line overlaps into approximately 80% of our EEZ. So tayo po ang dihado rito. So we are not seeking trouble. We are just standing up for what is ours, what is right.
So having said that, Commodore, no, ito nga, 5 barko po ang nag-participate. 2 po sa Pilipinas, tig-isa po galing sa Japan, Australia at saka sa Estados Unidos. Yung mga barko na yan, babalik po sila sa homeland nila or umaligid-lagid lang po yan sa West Philippine Sea? How does that work po? Because nga, you want to show unity. It's a show of force. It's a show of unity. It's a show of support. So are they just there in the vicinity all this time? Or do they go home? Do they go to a different location? Ano ba yung status po nitong 3 ibang barko po?
If you look at it, ma'am, from a regional perspective, these ships came from Naval Forces West under Western Command. Sa atin yun, sa Philippines. For other countries, they look at a regional or global perspective. So maaari may mga kanya-kanyang areas naman sila. Like for the US, this would come from the 7th Fleet. This could be coming from Japan. Ang sa Japan naman, syempre galing sa kanila. So Australia from down under. So after that, they would have their own activities, patrol areas. They may go engage other countries also.
So, hindi sila nagpipirme lang dyan sa West Philippine Sea. In other words, sabi mo nga, bali umiikot-ikot po sila. They don't, kumbaga, hindi po talaga West Philippine Sea lang ang kanilang binabantayan.
Yes, ma'am, hindi lang po. And if there's a particular MCA, or a specific date, a particular place, pwede silang pumunta doon. Depende sa arrangements at the higher level.
Okay.
Kanina nababanggit nyo nga yung ating mga mangingisda, but more than yung traditional fishing grounds natin, our fishermen, yung mga mangingisda natin are being harassed, being blocked, being forbidden to enter yung mga traditional fishing grounds natin. More than that, Itong pakikipag-alyansa din natin is to ensure yung freedom of navigation and air flight. Kasi nanganganib na rin sa tingin natin yung global trade and commerce dito sa ginagawa po ng China.
Yes, ma'am. Yung sa pagdating naman sa maritime law enforcement, we support the partner government agencies that have cognizance over maritime law enforcement. So the Philippine Navy has a supporting role to the Coast Guard, to BFAR, and sometimes to the Maritime Group of the Philippine National Police. We support them. Sila po may primary mandate sa law enforcement in the maritime domain.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.